In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix 7-zip CRC error on Windows 11. If you've ever tried to open a compressed file and seen a message about a CRC error, don't worry, you're not alone. CRC stands for Cyclic Redundancy Check, and it's basically 7-zip's way of telling you that the data inside the archive doesn't match what it should be. Most of the time, that means the file was corrupted during download or transfer. The first and most important thing to do is re-download the file to make sure it isn't corrupted. Before you start, delete the old copy so you don't accidentally open the bad one again. Use a stable internet connection and let the download complete fully. Avoid putting your device to sleep or closing the browser mid-download. When it finishes, confirm the file size looks reasonable compared to what the website or sender indicated. If the archive came as multiple parts, make sure you've downloaded every part into the same folder and that none of them are incomplete. After you have a fresh copy, try extracting using 7-zip again. On Windows 11, right-click the archive, go to the 7-zip menu, and choose Extract Here or Extract to a new folder. Pick a destination drive with plenty of free space, since running out of space can cause extraction to fail and look like a corruption issue. If you still get a CRC error at this point, don't assume it's your computer. This can still be a sign that the archive itself isn't intact. Next, use the test function in 7-zip to check the archive's integrity. Open 7-zip File Manager from the Start menu, select the archive, and click the Test button on the toolbar. 7-zip will scan through the data and report exactly what it finds. If the result says no errors, the archive is fine and you can try extracting again to a different folder. If it reports CRC failed, data error, or headers error, that confirms the archive is damaged. The test is helpful because it removes guesswork. You'll know whether the problem is the file itself rather than your extraction method. If errors persist even after a clean re-download and the test function still flags problems, the archive file may be permanently corrupted. In that case, the only real fix is to obtain a clean copy from the original source. Ask the sender or site for a new upload and try again with that fresh file. That's it. Re-download, extract again, test for integrity, and if it still fails, replace the archive. Follow these steps and you'll resolve most CRC errors quickly and confidently on Windows 11.